Okay, so let's go back to my dashboard. So you go to Site, and then go to My Site Manager right there. And it should take me back to Site Manager like this. I go back to My Sites, not Site Manager. I go to my dashboard. Sorry about that. My dashboard. And then I'm going to go to this drop down. Here's my new website. It's not published yet, so it's not going to show a preview here. But if I go drop down here, you'll see all the websites. These are all demos that I've done in the last couple of years. This is my site from last year, if you recognize that. And then this year is way better. And then here's my site that I did for my own personal. Manage that site. I'm going to edit it. This is my portfolio that I'm working on because I'm getting ready to apply for a MF Masters of Fine Arts and Design at Savannah College of Art and Design. So I'm working on this website. So you'll see I have home, portfolio, contact, collaboration. So these are all tabs. So if I go to my preview here now, click on this, and these are some of my new work. Now I go to my portfolio here, and then you can see these are my digital pieces, some screen prints, some print design work that I've done. So I just go print design, and it just shows you these are different pieces that I've worked on. Many of them for school, because that's where I'm at most of the time. But in a lot of shows, a lot of times there are ones that I just do for friends, and myself, and my wife, and I should probably put all my wedding announcements and stuff on here. But I'm gonna go back, close this, and I can go down to my branding. Here's some different branding things that I've done, different layouts. I need to add a lot more. This is just kind of my space holders, but then when I'm done, I can just go back to my editor, and if I want to add another gallery, I can do that. And I can do all this, anything that I want to do. And so there's my little logo that I created for myself. And this takes me back to my home, and then if I also have collaborations, and then my contact information, because I do want people to contact me. So what you guys are going to do today is I want you to go ahead and start to play with a template and add a photo. If you want to just take one real quickly with the program that's on the computer, you just take a picture of yourself and use that. But if you want to use a better one later, that's fine. Try to add a little connectivity. You can try editing it. You can always come back and download a new file, a new one, and then just make a new website once you're done kind of experimenting. You can try uploading videos if you want to download videos for that, just for practice today. But then also remember that you need to be getting done with your resume, because your resume is actually going to be one of your contact connections on your page. You're actually going to have my resume, and it's going to be a link. It's going to be an downloaded document that's going to fit right inside of your file, inside of your page, so that it becomes permanent part of your portfolio. And that can update and change as you go. As it changes, as you go through school, or as if you're a sophomore, as you go through your junior and senior year in the program, that can change based on what you're doing in class. And so today really is about trying to get your website, kind of experimenting with that, and then getting your resume kind of knocked out. And then Monday when I come back, I'll have all of our ink ready to screen print. When we get back, it'll ended up having to just go purchase it in town, and I haven't had time to go do that. So hopefully this afternoon I can do that. But the ink that I was using, I was going to be making our ink, and they no longer sell that. I called PNCA, and they no longer sell the ink that I need for that. So the base stock material. So I had to go to the next level, and I'm gonna have to just buy the ink off the shelf at Dick Blick downtown. But that's what's happening. So if you guys could work on that today, I'm at a meeting down at the district office for CTE, and I'll be there all day long. I'll be back for track practice this afternoon, but it should go pretty well. Just stay busy. Get that resume cranked out, work on your website, and obviously be kind to the guest teacher today. All right, and I guess I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend. All right.